Carmel. Today we're going to be doing an epic cheat day in the Carmel in Tel Aviv, Israel. There's so many good foods in here. There's so many good smells. They have so many different things. Now before I start the video, I just want to make a little disclaimer that this isn't a typical cheat day for me. I usually only cheat one or two things, but just for the sake of the entertainment value of this video, I'm going to be trying all the things, and me and my partner, we're going to be splitting most of the things that we're getting. So without further ado, let's get into cheat day, guys. They're amazing here, and to show you guys how he does it. Okay, we're gonna take a first bite. You don't even know. You don't even know, honestly. Holy, amazing. The spice shop next because we got to pick up some essentials. This is the cheapest and freshest place to find spices. So I've become a slight cheese snob since I started following the low-carb diet, and so now we get like fancy cheeses, and this is one of my favorite fancy cheese places. They have everything in here. Come on, let's go take a look. Blue cheese, one of my favorites. Like cheese that you've never even heard of. Okay, we're gonna get my favorite Middle Eastern dessert. Everything here is flippin' delicious. Alright, we'll take a box. One of these are pistachio baklavas, they're amazing. Pecan ones? Or walnut ones?
Yeah.
One of these? Is this? Is it peanuts?
Peanuts, yeah.
What kind is it? Peanuts? One canape or two canapes? One canape. Gimme all the food. So we took our baklava to go. We're going to be eating this at home, but just to give you a little sneak peek, that's some of the goodness that you can expect. All right, let's go. Delight in the Chronicles of Narnia. I had to try it, and when I did try it, it was so good. It's so fresh here, you wouldn't even believe how soft it is in the States. It's always like kind of rock hard. This is all like gummy bears. It's awesome. So there's a lot of different kinds here. This is like the classic one that you've probably seen. There's melon, lemon, strawberry, grape, rose water, watermelon, pomegranate, cherry. I'm definitely trying the honey, and then raspberry. And then you have these ones over here. They have nuts in them, and they're like watermelon, babe. Pomegranate. Want another bite? Alright, this is the last one, the watermelon. Let's see how good it is. You have to try this. You have to try this. It's really good. The last little bite. Okay, so word on the street is there is Mexican food somewhere in here. So we're gonna go scout it out and see if there's some genuine, authentic Mexican food, because that is something that Israel does not have enough of.
What are you having?
This is a mango margarita. I haven't had a margarita since I've been in Mexico, so this is like a milestone for me. Wow, that looks really good. You getting this? You getting this? Oh my goodness, thank you.
Es de ese coso, es de la capital. ¿Tú eres de Guatemala?
That is amazing. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching my epic cheat day. I hope that was fun for you. I know it was super fun for me. If you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Bye!